So friends, today's question is write a Python program that takes sentence as input and display the number of words, number of capital letters, number of smallest letter, and number of special symbols in the uh, inputted sentence. So हमें Python program लिखना है जिसमें we are going to guys take a sentence as an input and जिसमें we will going to print the number of words, number of capital letters, number of small letters, and number of special characters or symbols. So first of all we have to start with guys declaring function or writing. We are going to write a function and which will take sentence as an input in a parameter, and then we are going to initialize the counter for each word, capital letter, small letter, and a special character. After this guys, we are going to split our word using this dot split function, and then we are going to use len function to count the number of words. Fine. And after this guys, we have to run a loop in sentence, and we are going to iterate each letter, each character of the sentence, and we will check each character whether it is uppermost character. If it is uppermost character, we will increment the capital count, and if it is a smallest character, so we are going to check whether the character is smallest by using this is lower function. So if you want to check the letter is smallest, then you have to use is lower, and if you want to check the character is, if the character is the capital letter, then you have to use is upper character, or you have to use is upper function. Fine. So in programming, uppercase and lowercase can be defined as the capital or smallest letter respectively, and then if none of the condition or if the character is neither uppercase or the lowercase, and then we have to check whether we have to apply condition for the special character, in which we have to check the character must not be the number, and it must be not a space, because all the character guys will be filtered by above two condition first, and then we are going to filter it using these two function, is a character number, numerical, or the numeral, or the character is a space. If none of the condition applies to a character, then it must be a special character, and then we will increment the special count. Fine. And once we got this, once we got our counter guys, now we are going to return all the counters. So here's it. So you can use these key syntax to return all of them together. If you want to return multiple thing, you can return by using this. So we are going to use some kind of ID. So we will use words for word count, capital letters for capital count, and smallest letter for small count. Basically we are assigning these values to this variable, and then we can get these variable. Like now you can print your, first of all we will take sentence as an input, and then we are going to count number of characters, and then guys so basically in this function we are basically calling our function main functions, and then we are going to print first of all the number of words, number of capital letters, number of smallest letter, and then in the end we are going to print number of special symbols. So that's how you can write this function guys. Just run this code, and yeah, that's it. Subscribe for more video. Hope you like the video. Till then.